Our team has a lot of experience building scalable cloud-based applications.
We know that people's needs for both security and convenience are timeless, but our approach to solving these problems is anything but traditional. We are applying state-of-the-art machine learning and AI techniques to make the most out of the data at hand, to enable us to make intelligent decisions about authentication and about user intent. When there's a potential trade-off between convenience and security, we give our customers easy-to-use controls to make the choice that's right for them, depending on the circumstance.
Openpath gives you the capability to make instant changes, and with our mobile technology, you can revoke credentials and install credentials with a click of a button.
With our cloud control panel, you get the cloud convenience of being able to remotely monitor or administer your Openpath system from wherever you are, with whatever device you have. And you get the cloud peace of mind of never having to worry about performing a software update or applying a security patch. We handle that all for you. We know the success of our products ultimately rides on the user experience, whether that be the experience of the installer or the CEO or the end user employee coming in the door for work each day. This means that although we offer an end-to-end solution to provide a seamless access control experience, we can also support our customers' needs to integrate with the other products that are part of their modern workplace. For hardware, that can mean leveraging existing access control wiring or integrating with a legacy system that might already be installed. For software, it means we've built everything to be fully API-driven, allowing us to support any type of inbound or outbound integration with another API-driven service.
We've been able to deploy infrastructure that allows you to not worry about hardware and software for running and operating the access control solution at your office. Let us do the hard work of scaling the IT while you get to work doing what it is you do best.